Hi guys, I'm at Walt Disney World and we are staying at the All-Star Music Resort, and I wanted to give you guys a quick tour. Hi guys, currently staying at Disney's All-Star Movie Resort. As you can see, our names are on the television screen, so they'll have the reserve party names, last names listed on the screen. When you enter into the room, there is a coffee bar station with a mini fridge. There's also a table for dining. In addition to that, this wall right here with the table, that's a Murphy bed that pulls out so that there will be 2 double beds in the room. And of course, we have our standard bathroom. Turn on the light. Have our standard vanity area, and then of course the bathroom. Now this one has a shower and tub, which is interesting. Some have just a walk-in shower. It's pretty nice. And this is Disney's All-Star Movies Resort.
At the All-Star Music Resorts, and we're going to give you a tour of the resort. So let's go. This is the rock and roll section. You can see all the big instruments. They have the old school vibe going, and it's really cool and awesome. Here we have the ice and vending machine. Each section of the resort does come with one, and as well as elevators. We see it's really convenient in case you need something to drink or ice, and if you don't want to take the stairs, you can take the elevator. And here is the jazz section. And then we have the pool right here called the piano pool. And let's go check out the jazz section. So this is what it looks like. And it's called the Jazz Inn. Their theme is blue and the Rock Inn was pink. So we got like a color theme going on. You have the drums here, which is so cool for the jazz theme. And then we have the big saxophone. The other trombone and all that stuff. We have here, it says the Jazz Inn with the drums, and it says All-Star Jazz Band, and it's just like a musical theme, I would say, all jazz instruments. So this is how it looks at night. You have your little pond with the water fountain, and this is the overview. And yes, so now we're entering into the Hispanic or Latino theme. You got the maracas, and then we have the bongos over there, as you can see, and then there's also a pool in this section, and then we have the mariachi band all the way over there in the center of the pool. This is really cool, and this is by far my favorite. Look at that. Also chess for the little kids to play, so they can play giant chess. Also you can play shuffleboard, which is a very popular game, and this is again located in the Hispanic or Latino section, which is by far my favorite. And then you have your own little bar, and then this is the dining area over here. I don't really know the name, honestly, but they're closed, but here's a glimpse of the inside. To the best. The western section of the resort looks like this. It is nighttime, so you can't really see, but it is pretty cool. So these are just how the rooms look. And so this is the Broadway, how it looks like. And it actually looks like you're really on the set of Broadway, and we'll check that out. Broadway, it actually looks like as if you're on Broadway. I want they to take into account at nighttime, the adults are lit. It's alcohol and smoking, even though you're not supposed to smoke on property. But this is like how it basically looks.
And action.